फ्लावर नहीं, फायर है मैं। Hi friends, welcome to a brand new vlog of Judo Samaka. This is your host and those Judo. So finally I have watched Allu Arjun's latest blockbuster movie, Pushpa 2, The Rule. And one word, one man army, Allu Arjun, yani ki Pushpa. Directed by Sukumar. This movie continues the story of the prequel, where the first part ended. Now Pushpa is running his
business of red sandalwood यानी कि रक्त चंदन।
He loves his wife and his family a lot, पर उनके मन में एक दुख है क्योंकि उनके जो स्टेप ब्रदर है वो उन्हें एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं एज अ पार्ट ऑफ द फैमिली। ये एक बेहद दुख है उनके मन में, वो भी दिखाया गया है और पैरेलली हम देखते हैं
एसपी भंवर सिंह शेखावत को यानी कि फाहद फासिल AKA फाफा को।
वो तो हाथ धोके पड़ गए हैं पुष्पा के पीछे। सो देयर इज अ काइंड ऑफ कैट एंड माउस गेम बिटवीन पुष्पा एंड शेखावत, हु विल विन इट। और साथ में है और कई किरदार,
राव रमेश है, जगपति बाबू है, सुनील है, तारक पुन्नप्पा है, अजीत है, अनुसुईया भारद्वाज is also there. From the rags to the riches, this is the story of Pushpa, a coolie who rose from a struggling worker to a demigod-like red sandalwood smuggler. This story is really intriguing. Set in the Chittoor district of erstwhile Andhra Pradesh. He is a part of a syndicate.
चीफ मिनिस्टर है, MLA है,
सिंडिकेट के साथ सभी लोग जुड़े हुए हैं।
दिल्ली का बड़ा मंत्री है। पुष्पा इज नाउ इंटरनेशनल। जापान का एक सीन लेकर ओपनिंग होता है इस मूवी का। और एक्शन की बात कहें टॉप नॉच, और अल्लू अर्जुन ही इज अ हार्ट एंड सोल ऑफ दिस मूवी। जस्ट लाइक द प्रीक्वल ही हैज डन एन एक्सेप्शनल वर्क। जो एक्शन सीक्वेंस, इमोशनल सीक्वेंस वो लाजवाब है एकदम। रश्मिका मंदाना playing the role of Srivalli has given a decent performance. All the other actors who have supported, for example Sunil, all have performed well.
Tarak Punnappa has also played a vicious villain in this movie.
Almost 3.5 घंटे की मूवी है, पर एक भी वक्त के लिए you will not feel bored. I won't say that this is completely new, we haven't seen such things before. No. But the execution, that's really great. और जो action, as I have said earlier, just like the prequel, the action is great. And a fiery performance by Pushpa. When he says, I have watched the Hindi version, voiced by Shreyas Talpade. When Pushpa says in the Hindi version, मैं हूँ बॉस, सबका बॉस, that was really great. फाहद फाजिल, he has played शेखावत। सरफिरा जो पुलिस अफसर, वो किरदार उन्होंने बाखूबी निभाई है। माँ काली के भेष में साड़ी पहनकर एक्शन सीक्वेंस है। You already know that if you haven't watched the movie from the glimpse. और एक दृश्य है जहां पर साड़ी पहनकर फाइट है। I won't reveal that, but that was also great and breathtaking action sequences. सीटी और ताली तो गूंज उठ रही है हॉल में। Now about the box office collection of this movie.
The net domestic collection of Pushpa 2 in 2 days is roughly rupees 175.1 crores. Note, this is the rough data. The detailed data is yet to come.
So, after telling about the box office collection, let's say about the script. Script is crisp and it's fast paced. इतनी लंबी मूवी, but it will keep you engaged. और अल्लू अर्जुन from the very beginning till the end, he is there. One man army. उन्होंने दिखाया है तांडव, and there's a hint that Pushpa Part 3 is coming. Pushpa 3, The Rampage. There's also a climax scene which is very emotional. That was also really well performed.
The music of this movie is by rockstar DSP, that is Devi C. Prasad. In an interview, DSP said that there was a kind of feud with the makers of Pushpa 2. For me, the music of Pushpa Part 1 is better than Part 2. Sri Leela performed in the song Kisik Thappar Marungi in the Hindi version, and she performed well.
और बार बार पुष्पा का फैमिली लेकर वंश लेकर जो लोग उन्हें ताना मारते हैं फ्रॉम हिज चाइल्डहुड हैज आल्सो बीन शोन इन अ बिट. Rashmika Mandana has got a monologue scene where she says पुष्पा is a brand. बीते हुए दिन में राजा बादशाहों के जो साइन होते थे उनके हाथ का जो पंजा, that's the symbol of पुष्पा, पंजा. So this was my review of Pushpa 2, The Rule. I have shared my experience with you all. How about you? Did you like it? Then do like, share, subscribe my channel, and also like and follow my Facebook page Judos Dhamaka. I'll be back in the next episode with a new dose of entertainment, new dose of Dhamaka. Hasta la vista, Judos Dhamaka. Let's do the Dhamaka.